Hey everyone, this is Sagar from Tulip. Today I want to talk about the new integration that we're rolling out in our library. We built new integration or new connector with Google Drive. Essentially, the reason why we wanted to build this connector was we've been seeing that a lot of our users are utilizing our Google Sheet connector to push information to Google Sheet or get information from existing Google Sheets into their Tulip applications. So I think Google Drive connector would give you an additional functionality on top of the Google Sheet connector, where you can pull in your files that you want to work with on your Google Sheet. It could be sheets, it could be doc files, what have you, right? And then you can kind of pull in the metadata, like the file IDs of Google Sheet, and then you can dynamically pass those in our Google Sheet connector. So essentially, the reason behind shipping this connector is how you can use Google Drive connector along with Google Sheets connector in combination. So I just want to quickly showcase the minimum functionality that we've kind of shipped with Google Drive. At a basic level, as all the other Google services, this requires OAuth 2.0 authentication. So you would have to get a client ID, client secret, and then pass some specific scopes, which would be available in our documentation as well. That'll be available in the library. So let's get into it. So real quick, so first of all, what I'm trying to do here is just trying to pull in all the files that exist in my Google Drive over here. I can select each and specific file and get their different file properties, and that's when I said like these are the properties that can be used by other connectors or other services as well. So let's say, for instance, if I want to select this file and I want to get the file properties for this, it would something look like the description, the created date, the owner, the modified date, modified, and file name and file extension. If I want to create a file directly from Tulip, we can do that as well. So if I want to do testing Google Drive integration, I would go ahead and type this as an XLS, and then I do description, and description will be testing my integration, and then I create this file. And then it should update. So you see how I was able to create a file, an Excel file, Google Sheets Drive file directly from my Google Drive, and then you can leverage this file into your Google Sheets connector. So that's something that I want to do quickly showcase. And then the other functionality here is to delete it. So if I want, I can delete the file right from this button over here. So if I delete this, and you'll see that it should go and we got deleted. So again, real quick, right? Just wanted to showcase this functionality, this quick connector that we'll be shipping in library. If you're interested, please reach out to support.tulip.co or head over to our library and get this connector imported onto your instance. Thank you.